Hey there, the team at Turk has sent over this rechargeable screwdriver kit. So let's take a closer look at it and see how it works. So when you open the case, you can see you're going to get the screwdriver itself. You're going to get this box full of bits. And if we look at the bits here, you can see there are numerous shapes and different sizes to help with all those small household tasks. The top portion has a pouch and that can hold this USB cord. You will need to provide the charger for that. And it also has an instruction manual. So here's a closer look at the screwdriver itself. It has an easy grip handle with trigger here. So it's easy to just turn on and off. It does have a light in the front with 3 LEDs to make it easier to see things. The bits are magnetic, so they simply slide into here. Now, if we look at the back, it is an LED screen. So while charging, you will see it charging like this as it's charging with the percentage. It's at 12% at the moment. The RF is for reverse and forward in regards to the way the screwdriver turns, and it has 5 levels of speed that can be adjusted with this button here. So one of the places I think this is really good to have is just inside the house in that junk drawer or maybe in a cabinet. I used it on this cabinet door and it did a really good job just unscrewing and screwing that hinge back in place. I didn't feel like I had to use a lot of force, and I was able to adjust that torque to where I needed it. Over here in this darker hallway, I used it again on a lock, and it was nice to have that light on the front of it, making it easy to see everything. I like that this is easy to charge, and I have 15-bit options for whatever the task is. I like that it comes in its own case, meaning everything gets stored together, and there's less chance of me losing parts to it. If you're looking for a cordless rechargeable screwdriver for those day-to-day tasks, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.